Inductive and deductive reasoning. Inductive and deductive reasoning are two fundamental forms of reasoning for mathematicians. So, when we say inductive reasoning, that is the process of reaching a general conclusion by examining specific examples. For example, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. To get the next term, we need to add 3 from the previous term. So, each successive number is 3 larger than the preceding number. We predict that the next number in the list is 3 larger than 15, which is 18. Another example, we have 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. First, observe the pattern 1 and 3. So, if you get the difference of the first two numbers, the difference is 2. If you get the difference of the second number and third number, the difference is 3. So, you have a pattern now. The difference of third number and fourth number is 4. So, the difference is 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, you will notice that you're going to add 6 from 15 or by using inductive reasoning. The first two numbers differ by 2. The second and the third numbers differ by 3. It appears that the difference between any two numbers is always 1 more than the preceding difference. Since 10 and 15 differ by 5, we predict that the next number in the list will be 6 larger than 15, which is 21. Pick a number. Multiply the number by 8, add 6 to the product, divide the sum by 2, and subtract 3. You can think any number, so let's say that the number is 5. Then, we need to multiply the number by 8. So, if you multiply 5 by 8 is equal to 40. Then, add 60 to the product. 6 plus 40 is equal to 46. Then, divide the sum by 2. So, 40 divided 2 is 23. From 23, you need to subtract 3. 23 minus 3 is equal to 20. Deductive reasoning. Deductive reasoning is the process of reaching a conclusion by applying general assumptions, procedures, or principles. Example, if a number is divisible by 2, then it must be even. 12 is divisible by 2. Therefore, 12 is an even number. Pick a number. Multiply the number by 8, add 6 to the product, divide the sum by 2, and subtract 3, and represent the original number. 8n plus 6, 8n plus 6 over 2, 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So, the equal is 4n plus 3, then subtract 3, 4n plus 3 minus 3 is equal 4n.